Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix SoundPEATS GOFREE2 charging case. As you can see, it's not charging and there's no light here. So let's get started. So first, you need to open the SoundPEATS GOFREE2 case or charging case. So once it's open, you will see this one. Ayan, and then check this part, the flex part. It's not connected. That is the common issue of SoundPEATS GOFREE2 charging case. Now you need to remove this flex to the battery and remove this Krypton tape. Don't forget to use the tweezer to push the flex. This is the tricky part. Now it's connected, and put back the Krypton tape here and the battery, put it back also. Then let's try it again. It's working. That is the common issue of SoundPEATS GOFREE2 charging case. So guys, that's it. So guys, if you like my video and you found that this is helpful, don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. Thank you and God bless.